Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of Threads. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Threads and you click here in this page of apps like this. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage and then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. Here in this, so please don't forget to